Hello friends, welcome back in Tinker class. Myself Sanjeev Jain. Today I will discuss the use of Arduino. Before starting and before discussing detail about Arduino, let me come to know what is Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronic prototyping platform enabling users to create interactive electronic objects. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. So this device is available in ATL Lab, as well as we will use this device online with the help of Tinkercad software. So before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please click on this subscribe button and press bell icon. Also you can like and share and comment if you like the video. Second thing we will use in this project, that is RGB LED. RGB LED consists of 3 different LEDs. From the name you can guess that these LEDs are red, green and blue. We can obtain many other colors by mixing up these colors. The Arduino has a analog write function which will help us in obtaining different colors for Arduino RGB LED. Next device, again we will use a resistor. As I have discussed, main purpose of resistor is to reduce the current flow and to lower the voltage of current in any particular portion of the circuit. It is made up of copper wire which is coiled around a ceramic rod, and the outer part of the resistor is coated with an insulating paint. Let's open Tinkercad software and click on circuit. Before telling how to create or how to use this Arduino with the LED and resistor, before moving ahead, let me show you the functioning of Arduino with LED. Just see to it. So in this project I have used Arduino and RGB LED and the wires. You can see I haven't used the resistor over here. When you will click on Tinker this, just see to it what will happen. As soon as the working area will open, just click on the start simulation and observe the LED. Just observe over here without resistor, only the color of LED is going to change, but it is showing the LEDs burst side by side. That means the Arduino is giving the more voltage to the LEDs, that is why it is going to burst. So how to control the current? For that, just see the another project which I have designed with the help of a resistor. In this project I have used the use of Arduino, RGB LED and resistors and wires. When you click on start simulation and observe the RGB light, it is glowing over here. You can observe the light and it will continue glowing. So how the light is glowing? For that you can see over here, just stop this and see on the left hand side of the start simulation there is a code or something, a button is there. Just click over here, you will see there is 3 types of coding can be possible. One is block, second is block and text, and third is text. So whenever we will use Arduino software or Arduino hardware, we use this text over here and we have to learn this programming. This is not a difficult one, it is very easy. There is a 2 function. One is setup function. Setup function used for output purpose. What is the meaning of output purpose? You can see over here there is a 14 digital pin from 0 to 13 and 6 analog pin from A0 to A5, and there are 3 ground 1, 2 and 3. You can see over here I have used 3 pins, that is digital pin number 12, digital pin number 8 and digital pin number 7 for the output. That is why I have written in the setup function pin mode 12, output, pin mode 8, output, pin mode 7, output. You can choose any of the pin from 0 to 13. It's up to you. Fine. One thing keep in your mind, the programming in Arduino is case sensitive. Whatever is written over here you have to write as it is when you will start programming in the Tinkercad software. Over pin mode M is capital and output is capital. Fine. You can copy and paste. Don't forget to put semicolon over here. So this is a, you can say in C++ it is called a constructor. It will automatically execute as soon as the source code will get executed. This is a loop. What is the function of this loop function? Whatever is statement is written over here, it will get executed time and again depend upon the delay over here. You can see digital write 12 high. As soon as you will click on start simulation, it will glow the RGB and the color of this will be, that is by default this is a 12 pin number 12, the color is red, it will produce a red color. And what is the use of this delay function? And I have written 1000. It means after glowing the light 1 millisecond, after glowing the light for 1 millisecond it will stop Then after again digital right 12 will glow. Then after again the digital 8 pin will glow, that is a blue pin will glow, then stop, then green pin will stop and stop. After that you can mix the pin. Just see over here, I have used digital right 12 high and digital right 7 high. So mixing of two color, it will produce another color, 2 time high and 2 time low. Then again 12 with 8, 2 time high and 2 time low. Then third 2 time high, 8 and 7 and 2 time low. Then after 3 color mixing, 12, 7 and 8, 3 time high, 1 time high and 1 time low. So in this way you can set the combination of digital pins, and when you will click on this start simulation, it will start glowing the lights. So this is all about the project. After watching this project, let me show you the practical touch of all this project, how to design. Just see to it. I am clicking on this Tinkercad software and reaching back to the platform. Click on this circuit and create new circuit. So how to design, just see to it. Just take the Arduino hardware from here, Arduino, click and drag, fine. And after that just take the RGB LED. Take this LED from here and take the resistors. First of all, without using the resistor, just see whether the LED will burst or not. I am just clicking this first pin, that is red, with the pin number 13. Then after cathode with the ground pin. Then blue with the pin number say 10 and green with the pin number say 4. Fine. And after that come to this code part. Click on this code part, click on this block and select the text from here. Continue. So by default this will open in front of you, that is void setup and void loop. No need to write on your own. You can see by default pin number 13 is there. So I have used pin number 13, pin number 10 and pin number 4. Define over here. Pin small letter में लिखना आपने, pin M capital mode 10, output should be in capital letter, output bracket close and semicolon. Copy कर लीजिए इसको, Control C. After that Control V. Write over here pin number 7. I have used 4 pin number 4. So I have used these 3 pin for output. In the loop digital write 13 is high and delay for 1000 microsecond, again it is low. After this just you can copy and paste all this text. Copy, Control C, Control V. Write over here instead of 13 write 10 high, 10 low. Again copy and paste 7 high with 7 low. Fine. Now mix 2 colors. This is high, copy this one, paste. Instead of 13 write 10. Again low this one, Control C, paste, low 10 over here. Fine. Similarly you can copy and paste this, Control C, Control V. Instead of 13 and 10 write 13 and 4 sorry. Here also we will use 4 not 7. So 13 and 4 will be used over here as the output pin in one go and it will low down. Then after use the third one, that is 10 and 7. 10 high, 7 high, 10 low, 7 low. At last use the mixing of 3 color. How can this be possible? 13, 10 and 7. Control C, Control V, put it 7 over here and also low down digital right का W capital 7, low in capital words, semicolon. Now click on this start simulation and see what happened. You will see that this LED will change the color, but every time it will burst. Click on here. Red burst, blue, LED is going to change the color, but every time it is going to burst. So how to control the current from this Arduino? We will put the resistors in between. Just see to it, I am removing these wire from the red, green and blue and putting the resistor in between. You can put over here, one, put over here, second over here, third one. Attach pin number 13 with this terminal 1 of the resistor and terminal 2 with this red. Then pin number 10 from the Arduino digital pin and terminal 2 to blue and pin number 4 to green. So in this way you can just put the resistor in between. Now just check it out and see, now the LED is glowing. I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much and keep watching my channel, and I am putting latest information over there. Thank you very much.